Hello and welcome to Asan Education. In this video, we will discuss urbanization in India. In last video, we have seen urbanization from the world's perspective. So in this lecture, we will complement that video with this urbanization in India because we have left the statistics related to urbanization in India so that you can remember well. Okay. So let us discuss what is the status of urbanization in India. Okay. Let's see. Urbanization in India began to accelerate after independence due to country's adoption of a mixed economy which gave rise to development of the private sector. Urbanization is taking place at a rapid rate in India. Population residing in urban areas in India according to 1901 census was 11.4%. This count increased to 28.53% according to 2001 census and crossing 30% as per the 2011 census, standing at 31.16%. ओके, सो अर्बनाइजेशन इंडिया में कैसे इंक्रीज हुआ? जब इंडिया ने मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमी का अप्रोच अपनाया. मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमी मतलब क्या होता है? जिसमें प्राइवेट सेक्टर और पब्लिक सेक्टर दोनों मिलकर काम करेंगे. उसकी वजह से डिमांड क्रिएट हुआ इन अर्बन एरियाज. सो द पीपल स्टार्टेड माइग्रेटिंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, फ्रॉम रूरल एरियाज टू अर्बन एरियाज इन सर्च ऑफ job, good health, employment and education. Okay, so what was the status in 1901 census? The 11.4% of population lived in urban areas, which increased to 28.53% in 2001 census and which crossed 30% mark in 2011 census, and now it stands at 31.16%. Okay, 19, okay, see here, 1901 में it was 11.4%. 2001 में 28.53% of population was residing in urban areas. Now according to 2011 census, which is the latest, more than 30% of the people are living in urban areas, which is standard 31.16%. Okay, see here, in 2017 the numbers increased to 34% according to the World Bank. In 2017 a report was brought out by World Bank which says that 34% of India's population lives in urban areas. According to the survey by the UN State of World Population Report in 2007, by 2030, 40.76% of country's population is expected to reside in urban areas. Okay, so UN State of World Population Report के हिसाब से 2030 तक 40 to 41% population will reside in urban areas. As per World Bank, India along with China, Indonesia, Nigeria and United States will lead world's population surge by 2050. Okay, so you have to remember this. By 2030 more than 40% of the population will reside in urban areas. So this poses a challenge for urban governance and urban management because we have to manage water, sanitation, health for the large population which are migrating from रूरल एरियाज टू अर्बन एरियाज. इन दो वीडियोस को, अर्बनाइजेशन इन इंडिया प्लस अर्बनाइजेशन इन वर्ल्ड, को आप कंबाइन करके देख लीजिए. आपका अर्बनाइजेशन टॉपिक पे फैक्ट्स फॉर मेंस तैयार हो जाएगा. इन दिस वीडियोस वी हैव डिस्कस द डिफिनीशन ऑफ अर्बनाइजेशन, द फैक्ट्स एंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स रिलेटेड टू अर्बनाइजेशन विच विल कम वेरी हैंडी व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग आंसर्स in your mains examination as well as in essay. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day.